We can use conditional formatting to highlight our values based on multiple conditions. As we are using an example to highlight our values where name is Jessica and salary is 23,000. First of all, we are creating our formula using an selecting our name cell and making our column absolute only. Should be equivalent to Jessica. Selecting salary cell, making again column absolute. It should be equivalent to 23,000. Fine. Now check all these values. So we want to highlight only those values where we have true. We have created and checked our formula. Just select it and copy it. Now select your values. Like I just want to highlight these values. Go to Home. Select Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Select User Formula and here you need to paste your formula. And from the format, select any fill color. You can select any style. Here I am just selecting this fill color. Click on OK and here you can see we have highlighted our values based on our condition. You can change it as per your need. Salary could be greater than, less than, or you can add more values, more conditions as per the requirement.